so first of all, thankful tayo for today. For God na meron ulit tayong, I think third na, no, na family day. Third family day, and we intend to keep this celebration going on for the next few years. Kasi masaya pag may mga family members tayo nandito to celebrate Christmas with us, no? Sabi nga ng iba para maiba rin dun sa other companies.
Yeah, that's my favorite side. You like the taste of all my moves. I keep it cool, but you see through. A little wink, you lose your breath. I take the lead, you take what's left. Cool, cheeky, yeah, you know.
Happy Family Day!
Lights, playful rhythm, you can't fight. Polished, perfect, face the lips glow. Modern magic, stealing the show. Baby, tell me something I don't know. I'm a trend you can't let go. Glassy lips and rhythm dripping down the bass. You say I'm
We value yung relationships natin with the families, and it's also important for them to see where they work ba, where you guys work, right? And I hope with this simple gesture sa Family Day, ma-appreciate ng family members natin what we do on a day-to-day basis.
the vibe addictive, like I'm on your mind. Spin you round and watch you lights, playful rhythm you can't fight. Polished, perfect, effortless glow. Modern magic, stealing the show. Baby, tell me something I don't know. I'm the trend you can't let go. Flash, click, caught you in the moment. Slow drip, you're losing all your focus. Soft touch, almost like you know it. I'm the loop, the beat, the potion.
Sa Golden Bay, parati ko sinasabi sa inyo, every role is important, right? So, parating pagpapasok tayo ng trabaho next year, we always have to have our heads held high because each one is very important. And dun sa mga family members, I'm sure nakikita nyo naman yung yung mama, papa nyo, or uncle nyo, auntie nyo, decent yung trabaho, di ba? So, yun lang naman yung message natin.
Soft touch, almost like you know it. I'm the loop, the beat, the potion. Cool, cheeky, yeah, you know the vibe. Addictive, like I'm on your mind. Retro love and future bright shine. This mood hits you every time. Polished, perfect, effortless glow. Modern magic, stealing the show. Baby, tell me something I don't know. I'm the trend you can't let go. Flash, click, caught you in the moment. Slow drip, you're losing all your focus. Soft touch, almost like you know it. I'm the loop, the beat, the potion.
On behalf of the shareholders, partners, yung parents ko, the buong family, we appreciate yung contribution. This milestone, ibig sabihin 1 year na naman yung nakalipas, and we look forward in celebrating more moments with everyone.